Hi everybody. I'm gonna read There is a Bird on Your Head by Williems, another elephant and piggy book, one of my favorites. There's a bird on your head. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. He looks kind of annoyed or bothered. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. The two birds on my head are in love? They're lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they're lovebirds? They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head, and 2 birds, and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why don't you use your words and ask them to go somewhere else? Use my words and ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye-bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Should we find the pigeon? Can you see him? He's right there, eating a hamburger.